Welcome back to this channel for practice problems for actuarial exams. My name is Krzysztof Ostaszewski. You can find information about me at smarturl.it/Jedi. My advice on how to pass actuarial exams is at smarturl.it/pass. This video channel is at smarturl.it/pass actuarial exams. Here's information about online seminars and study manuals for exams PFM, IFM, and LTAM that I offer. I direct the actuarial program at Illinois State University. You can find information about it at smarturl.it/actuary. If you would like to offer a tax-deductible donation to support our students, please go to smarturl.it/help-ISU actuary. Here's a problem for today for exam P on probability. Under a liability insurance policy, losses are uniformly distributed on the interval from 0 to b, where b is a positive constant. There is a deductible of b over 2. Calculate the ratio of the variance of the claim payment, greater than or equal to 0, from a given loss to the variance of the loss. So let's write x for the random variable, which is the loss, random loss. The variance of a random variable distributed uniformly on an interval is the square of that interval's length divided by 12. Therefore, the variance of x is equal to b minus 0 squared over 12, or b squared over 12. Let y represent a random claim payment, and y is equal to 0 for x between 0 and b over 2, and x minus b over 2 for x between b over 2 and b. And these are the only values possible because big X has to be between 0 and b because it's distributed uniformly there. Then the mean of y is the integral from 0 to b over 2 of 0 times 1 over b. 1 over b is the density of x dx plus the integral from b over 2 to b of x minus b over 2 times 1 over b dx. So the first integral, of course, is 0. Plus 1 over b times 1/2 x minus b over 2 squared, evaluated from x equal to b over 2 to x equal to b. And this is equal to 1 over 2b times b over 2 squared, which is the same as b over 8. The second moment of y is equal to the integral from 0 to b over 2 of 0 squared times 1 over b dx, plus the integral from b over 2 to b of x minus b over 2 squared times 1 over b dx. So the first of these two integrals is 0, and the second one is 1 over b times 1/3 x minus b over 2 cubed, evaluated from x equal to b over 2 to x equal to b. That's equal to 1 over 3b times b over 2 cubed, and that's equal to b squared over 24. And therefore the variance of y, is equal to the second moment of y minus the square of the first moment, is equal to b squared over 24 minus b over 8 squared. So that's b squared over 24 minus b squared over 64, which is 8b squared over 192 minus 3b squared over 192, and that's equal to 5b squared over 192. And the ratio of the variance of the claim from a given loss to the variance of the loss is the variance of y over variance of x. So that's 5b squared over 192 divided by b squared over 12. That's the same as 60, which is 5 times 12, divided by 192, and that's equal to 5 over 16. And that's answer D. Please remember, this is copyrighted material. The problem itself belongs to the Society of Actuaries. The solution is mine. Good luck in your studies and good luck on the test.